Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, let's try to look at this interesting example which is shared by one of the student. I thought this is a bit interesting, so thought of sharing it with you. Let's go through this and try to solve it together. It's a problem with respect to age where we have to find out the age of a mother and daughter based on couple of conditions. Linear equations in two variables. So we will start with saying that present, what we have to find out, that is present ages. So we'll say present ages of mother and daughter. We'll say present age of mother is X and the present age of daughter is Y. This is what we will say for present ages. Okay, right. Next, what are the conditions given to us? Let's try to understand these conditions. What is the first condition? When the daughter will be as old as mother today. What is daughter's present age? Y. But daughter will be as old as mother today. What is mother's present age? So the condition where we are talking, what we are talking about now, daughter's age is nothing but equal to present mother's age. That means it is X. Now what is mother's age in this particular scenario? First of all, you know that X is greater than Y. We know that X is greater than Y. That means if Y becomes X, what X should become? That is what we have to understand. What's exactly the meaning of that? The meaning of that is the present age of daughter is Y. If the daughter's age becomes X, that means it increases, it is added by X minus Y years. In this case, the mother also will, age also will increase by X minus Y. So the mother's age will become X plus X minus Y. Let me repeat that again. When the daughter will be as old as mother today, that means mother's age, present age will become daughter's age, that is X. How many years daughter has to pass by so that she will become X years? From present is Y. To go to X, you have to increase by X minus Y. Y plus X minus Y is X. So we have been given that in this scenario, the sum of ages is equal to 135. So this is my equation number 1. Let's go to what is the number equation 2. Condition 2. When the mother was as old as daughter today. What is daughter today? Y. The mother was old as daughter today. That means mother age is Y. Mother age was Y. We are talking about past tense now. Mother age was Y. What will be daughter's age at that time? Let us see that. Now, present age of mother is X. To go to Y, how many years she should go by? It's nothing but equal to X minus of X minus Y. So mother has to go back by X minus Y. So the daughter also will go back by X minus Y. So the age will become Y minus X minus Y for the daughter and Y for the mother. And at this scenario, the sum of their ages is given as 35. So let me just try to repeat that again. We have been told that when the daughter will be as old as mother today, their ages will add up to 135. Similarly, when the mother was as old as daughter today, their ages added up to 35 years. We are talking about past tense there. Now let us say, start this problem with saying present ages of mother and daughter as X and Y. Now we have been told that in the first condition, the daughter age is present age of mother, that is X. So the daughter's present age is Y. To become X years, she has to grown up by X minus Y years. So I have to add X minus Y on both the sides so that the age of mother will become X plus X minus Y and the age of daughter will be X. So in this condition, we have been told that the ages will add up to 135. Let's go to the second condition. In the second condition, mother was as old as daughter today. What is daughter's age today? Y. So mother was Y years at that time. So now presently she is x years. How many years back she was y years? That is nothing but x minus of x minus y. So x minus y years I have to go back. When I have to go back x minus y years, for the daughter also I have to go back by x minus y years. At that juncture, or the age where we are talking about, in that scenario, the sum of their ages is 35. So these are the two equations we have. Let me simplify and write it here. The first equation tells me 2x plus x, 3x minus y is equal to 135. That's the first equation. And the second equation will tell me 3y minus x, or can I say minus x plus 3y is equal to 35. Now these are the two simple equations we have to solve. What we will do, we will try to add 1 and 2. We will say 1 plus 2 will give me 2x plus 2y equal to 170, or I get x plus y equal to 85. Similarly, 1 minus 2 will give me, if I subtract, I will have 4x minus 4y is equal to 100, or that will give me x minus y equal to 25. Now you know x plus y is 85, x minus y is 25. You simplify that, you will get x equal to 55 and y equal to 30. So the present ages of mother and daughter are 55 and 30 years. Let us verify this. Now when the daughter becomes 55, mother's age, that means 25 years are increased. So increase 25 plus 20, 50 to this sum. That is 85 plus 50, 135. When the mother was age of 30, daughter's present age, that means 25 years back. So subtract 25 plus 25, 50 from both of them. That is 85 minus 50, that is 35. So you are good to go. Let me just repeat this logic. The logic is very simple. When the daughter becomes the age of mother, that means daughter has to grown up by x minus y years. So we have to add x minus y on both the sides. Similarly, when the mother was y years old, she has to go back by x minus y years. At that time, daughter also will be subtracted by x minus y. Two equations, two variables, very simple to solve. We'll get the values of x and y. So I'll catch you again with one more interesting example in the next session. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.